To overview and maintain the different learners in your courses, go to Course Maintenance and click on Enrolled Students. Here you can track the progress of the different students in the various courses. On the top you have a filter section for your filters and additional fields so that you can make a specific criteria and get a list of specific people. Also you have a filter for names, and if you write the specific name of someone you will see only their courses. You have the ability to track the progress and completion of the courses for different students and see the status in progress, not started, or successfully completed. That's why you can also see the same people again and again because they are participating in different courses, so it's normal to have them listed a few times. You can also export in Excel. The last thing that we can mention here is that you have a mass selection button, or you can select just a few people and send a message to the selected people. You could do that from here as well and send the message to this person specifically. And when you select all, you have the option to write to everyone in the list. As you can see, they show up just once, so it depends on which people you want to contact about which course. It's better to filter and then select the mass message option because that way it would be more specific.